Hi everyone, welcome to RPA Explorers channel.
I hope everyone are doing good. So if you have watched my previous videos of PDF, so this is going to be a continuation of that, and also I have almost created all PDF connector methods, so you can watch all those videos as well. And now in today's video, as in the last video we have seen how you can extract images from the PDF. So basically we have used this particular PDF which is called test, where you have a lot of images, and we have captured all images from all the pages of the PDF. And this is nearly similar to that one, but instead of getting the images, we are going to get each pages of PDF as an image. And you also have a direct method which is called get pages image. So this will give you each page as an image. So let me drag. Okay, and here you have to provide your page number, which particular page number that you want to get as an image. Okay, so here I have provided my file path in the load, so let's connect it, and let's say that I want to get my first pages of the PDF. Okay, let's run this. So this will give me an image. So now this is an image. So in order to save this, go to your toolbox and filter with save. Filter it, and this gives an image, right? So I want to pass this an image, and let's provide the file path to save it. And also if you already have image with the same name, you can also overwrite it. So I'll give true, and let's provide the file path. Let's say image.pdf. Okay, this is completed, and also this value is true. So now this image.pdf is saved. Let's open it. Okay, this should not be PDF, this should be a PNG or another format. So sorry, I'll run this again. This is true, and now let's go to the project folder, image.png. So yes, so now we have extracted the particular page, and with this method you can just get a particular page as an image. So let's see how you can get all the pages of the PDF as an image now. So earlier we are using this load method, get page, and then saving it. So this is just to save any particular page of the PDF. So as I mentioned, now we are going to save each and every pages of the PDF into an image. Okay, so I have using this load method, and also I'm getting the total count of the page to loop through each pages of the PDF. And then I have my for loop. So I'm going to provide my start page, which is always the first page of the PDF. So let's say 1, and 2 should be my total number of pages in the PDF. So it start looping through each pages one by one. And after I get my first page, and here you have to provide your page number, right? For that I'm just providing my index. So first time it will be the 1 page, and second, third, and fourth page, and so on. So in real time, make sure that you create separate variable for all these, as it is not looking good. So make it organized by creating a variables for each output variable, for each output. So here create a variable, but I'm directly mapping it to images. Now we have to provide a file path. So if you make this override as true, it just keep on adding a single file path. Let's say that the file path is called test1. So every time when the bot run, the first page will be saved in test1, and second page is replaced on the same test1, and at the end of the bot you will be able to weave the 15th page or the end of the page in just the test1 PNG, right? So we want to save each images in a different path. For that I have a format text in which I'm just going to save my image along with the number of the page. Okay, so here I have provided my path. So this is my path, and also I'm going to create a different, let's create a variable that. So I'm going to create this folder, and inside this particular folder I want to add all my images. This is the 0th parameter which I'll be passing my page number. So here I have given my page number, and that particular page, the particular resultant path, I'll be giving it to the file path. Now I have not created that folder, so let's see if it throws an error. We'll create it. Okay, it is not giving me. Let's preview it. So now the actual path is get image1.pdf. so let's try saving it. Okay, it's giving me an error that the file path doesn't exist, so we'll quickly create that folder. which is called get image. Okay, and now let's start running it again. Okay, this is good, so I'll quickly remove it. I think it has 10. Okay, so it has 50 pages, so it have to loop through 50 pages and all the 50 images, so it takes some time. Let's wait for it to complete, and meanwhile you can go to the get image and you can view it. So it's processing the 18th image and now the 19th. So yeah, it's pretty fast, and now it has completed each pages of the PDF. So this is the 50th page. Okay, this should not be in PDF and this should be in PNG. So again I have made that mistake, so let's remove it, PNG. Okay, and this time, as we do not want to wait for the entire time, let me keep it as 45. So let it load for 5 pages of the PDF, and meanwhile I'll quickly. Okay, so now it started printing 45, 46, 47, 8 of 50. So now this is good. Okay, make sure that you pass your extension correctly, not like me. And now this is completed. This is how you can fetch all your PDF as an image or any particular page. I hope you guys find this video useful. If so, make sure you like this video and also subscribe to my channel as well. And don't forget to like this video to reach more people. And thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Take care and bye bye.